Here we got a mortar, about $7 worth of parts, $20 for the bipod. Use of a 18-round grenade, and about a 6-inch stock with a sleeve inside. Fill the grenade, load, and the whole object is to drop in, and it fires hitting the pin down here. What I got for ammo are practice golf balls. They come 6 in a pack, roughly $2. I made the slide big enough to fit 3 without a problem. I'm going to aim up in the field so you can see the distance on them. Grenade is loaded, weapon inside. Firing. Not too bad. Looks like we had roughly 65 feet from this elevation. Higher elevation will make it go up, less distance. You could raise the back up like so, and get more of a shot straight forward. But the angle that's it at right now is pretty much good, so if you have an oncoming charge, you probably could get it to go for 60 feet. Be pretty good. Area effect with the 3, within a 15-20 foot radius on all 3 of them, you're dead. A lot of fun.